What's good, everyone? Day two of Road to Funded. Um, all right, so we got the chart set up today. Nasdaq all-time highs. This is kind of a weird day because, um, I mean, I'm kind of bullish on the day, but we don't really have any key level. I mean, we have this 1 hour key level above where price is right now, but we don't have any key levels that will um, that we can get a reversal off of and maybe an entry. So all right, market's tanking anyway, so maybe we'll get a short. But we do have this 1 hour for a value gap, line session lows, some other stuff down here. So it'll be an interesting day. Also, I wanted to change this. So the one thing I wanted to update on is changing to top step. So my old broker that I was going for was a little bit more expensive, but it had a bigger drawdown. So I'm going to go with this one. This gives me, if I risk 1% each trade, gives me about 3 trades before I would lose the account. Then I have to lose 3 trades in a row. So we can't do that. And we have to make 9,000. Anyway, we're on the 1 minute. This is the only high that I had. Was this one key level? Nasdaq's at an all-time high, so I don't know what. I can't really mark anything up there, but we've got both of these key levels being taken out. I don't know, it's just kind of a weird day because this is not really anything other than the most recent high, but I guess this would be a break of structure to the upside. But I mean, key level's already taken out, and we can't even enter a trade until, I don't know why that's at 10:50. Should be at 9:50. Let's change that. We also have Pal speaking at, I believe, 10. So that does kind of change things a little bit. I'd have to really see a. Oh, this is just enter. Yeah, I would have to really see a good entry, and from what we're getting now, I don't really know if that's gonna happen, but we'll see. Oh, fuck. I'm trying to work today. Alright. Still in the 1 minute. Let's go back to 5 minutes. We did create a 5 minute fair value gap, so maybe if we come back into this, but then I don't have anything to target. Like, I could target the S&P most recent high or the S&P all-time high, but I don't really think I want to do that. I mean, this isn't a key level. What am I doing? Which we don't get over here. Yeah, I mean, this is just kind of a weird market with everything going on with the bombs and the all-time highs and the palace speaking. It's kind of making the videos boring, but I don't want to enter trades that I'm not comfortable with. I watched a little bit of this yesterday. I just assume today's fine to. I normally don't trade on days that Powell speaks, but I assume it's fine to trade today if he spoke literally yesterday in the same trial or testifying in the same trial. He hinted at maybe July lowering rates, so I know he's not going to do that today. So I don't see an issue with trading today. Doing some weird. If we could like come down to this fair value gap and like give me a bullish entry, like I would target this again, maybe this, probably not that, but I mean it's just we're not getting any entries, none. I don't think we're gonna find an SMT here, so I'm just gonna make this all one big screen, make it a little better. All these lows down here, I mean, maybe we'll start up, create a high, and then come back down. I'd love to take a trade. I don't want to force it. We're kind of consolidating. Like, this is ripping, but, I mean, this is ripping. But this is, I don't know. We'll see. Another 5 minute for value gap on the NASDAQ. Did I say 1 hour? I don't know if I said 1 hour, maybe 5 minutes. Oh, maybe not. This candle didn't close yet. Maybe we could get like a break of structure. That would be really cool. We got a break of structure. Yep. Now we just kind of wait. Yeah, so we're gonna use Top Step. It's a little bit cheaper. Yeah, I think it's just more mainstream, I guess. A lot more people use it, and it's cheaper, and yeah, that's a big factor. Actually, it's cheaper. So we'll see. I guess it's gonna be a long time till we get there. Can't take any trades ever. But we will see. So we kind of took out this key level. I don't know if I should keep it there or not anymore because it's kind of worthless. I guess I should keep it out. We took it out on both, which is good. Now we can kind of reverse. Like 8 minutes till we can enter a trade. Yeah, but Powell still speaks at 10, so this is just such a weird. Yeah, but Powell doesn't matter today, so. Yeah, I don't know what to do today. Just keep ripping. Oh, this is good for my investment portfolio, though. So we have lower low, lower high, or higher low, or higher high. No, I lied. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, uptrend. So to break structure now, break 5-minute structure, we would need, because we had lower, higher low, higher high, higher low. So I'm looking for this. Whoa, did that wrong. Looking for this to be broken. This breaks maybe into the 5-minute. I don't think any of this shit's gonna happen. Just getting nothing. Oh, here we go. Might get something. Break of structure would be breaking this, though. Oh, shit. Looks like we broke structure on the 1-minute. I'd like to break structure on the 5-minute, though. We'd have to fall all the way down here, though, which probably not going to happen. If this candle reverses upwards, probably won't take a trade today. But it's still going down. Charts look kind of identical right now. Oh, wait, because they're both... Yeah, wait a minute. Am I tripping? I'm tripping. Oh, wait. I'm such an idiot. So we could close down here. That's not breaking structure, though. I am an idiot. Alright. Maybe we come into this 5-minute fair value gap. Maybe that turns into an inverse fair value gap. That would be kind of cool. If we close down here at some point, then we can get an entry. Let me reference my notes again real quick. Wow. Alright. Maybe we'll get something today. Can this turn into an inverse fair value gap? Let's close down. Let's just go all the way down to this 1 hour for value gap, honestly. We did it. We did this. We did it here. Maybe we'll get a trade on ES. We might break here too. We might get an entry. I want these split again. Let's close below this recent low on the NASDAQ. We're kind of hanging out in this 1 hour fair value gap on the S&P. Don't do that. Kind of reversing back. This is not really what I wanted. We never closed below this 5-minute inverse fair value gap. If we get a reversal in this 1 minute fair value gap, what is this? That's a 5-minute something. So this has gotta be a 5-minute inverse fair value gap. That's getting disrespected. If we close above this 5-minute fair value gap, I'm gonna look for an entry. Let's hit this fair value gap right here, and I'll enter. Or this one. Two minutes and 20 seconds, so we close on that. I'd like to take this on the S&P and target the all-time high, but we need to reverse. There we go. Come back into here. And we'll do something like that. There we go. We might get it. Can we take this here? I don't want to take this here because I have nothing to target. We could get an entry here. Pal should be speaking right now. There's a woman at fair value gap we just tested. Might be something to enter off of. If this closes and breaks structure to the downside, then I'm done trading today. I would need to see a break of structure now. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna take a trade today. Actually, maybe. Let's break this and I'll enter. 1 minute inverse value gap. If we can close above that, I'll enter a trade. See, God, I just don't know what to do here. I would have gotten like stopped out like right now. Yeah, all right. So I'm not trading today. It's just this is the trade I want to take, but I can't find an entry I'm comfortable with. I'm trying to rush it, maybe, but higher high, higher low. Really just like consolidating. Like I don't know what. I mean, how long would I even have to hold this? Probably a while, right? Like 8%. That's probably not gonna happen. So I might enter a trade with the thought process of okay, we opened, we came up, retraced back down into this 1 hour fair value gap, created an inverse fair value gap, broke the inverse fair value gap, came back. I don't know that we I don't like there's nothing there like a fair value gap or oh wait, I have other confluences. Maybe if we get a 5-minute break to the upside, it might enter. Because we have some resistance down here. A lot of resistance. Yeah, but what is this doing? If this comes back in here, I'm done. This is just weird price action. I'm turning hard down over here. Time is at 10:10. I think I might be done today. Day 2, yet again, no trades. Yeah, hopefully we just trend down today, and then tomorrow we have some key levels and stuff we can take, but just not seeing that today. Yep, I'm done for today. All right, guys. Done for today. No trades yet again. Hopefully we'll get some trades tomorrow, but kind of a crazy week. So, yeah. All right. See you guys tomorrow.